Hello and welcome to day one of the Miss Ruby Tuesday Sew Along for Serge Fabric Shop. Today is the hardest day. It's the day when you have to pick which version you're going to sew of the Miss Ruby Tuesday. There's so many options included in this pattern that it can be a little overwhelming to pick. I did create the Miss Ruby Tuesday random generator that I'll post, and you could try whichever version you get on that. You just take a screenshot of the video and it'll tell you exactly which version is shown. You can also look at the pattern. This is the add-on bodice and the add-on skirt. It's on page 2 of each of those patterns, and it'll show you all the different options for the bodices as well as the skirts. Of course, don't forget the original pattern. There's also a circle skirt in that and a plain bodice as well with different sleeve lengths, all the sleeve lengths can be added into the all the other bodices in the add-on pack as well. So you have pretty much endless options with this pattern. What I'm going to be sewing up is the sleeveless version D with the crossover and the little pin tucks as well. So the way that you read this diagram on this page is it shows you here if it's extended, sleeveless, or sleeved. If you're going to be using any of the sleeves from the original pattern, you're going to want to use the sleeved bodice. Like I said, I'm doing the sleeveless with crossover, so I need to print bodice D in the add-on pack. For the skirt, I'm doing the high-low half circle skirt and I'm doing it without the pockets. So you'll want to, when you open, if you're doing the same version as me, when you open up the E skirt pattern, you'll see that there's two different options to print. There's an option with pockets and without pockets. I'm choosing to do without pockets. If you wanted to do with pockets or follow the instructions on which page to print for that. Okay, so like I said, I'm doing option D for the bodice. When you look at the first page of the pattern, it'll show you the different options here as well. So I'm doing the sleeveless, and it'll show you right here which pages to print for that. So I'm doing the sleeveless bodice, so I'll need these pages, and then I'll also need the waistband and the back neckband. So that's what I'll print from that and assemble those. And then for the skirt, as I said, I'm doing style E, which is the high-low half circle skirt, and then I am doing without pockets. So I'm printing skirt A. Skirt A is the version without pockets. Skirt B has the pockets. So I'll print out all the pages listed here for skirt A. And then I'll just go ahead and assemble those. If you need to do any alterations, go ahead and do that now as well, and go ahead and cut out your fabric. And then tomorrow we'll start assembling.